Spiders, eight-legged arachnids, have been fascinating humans for centuries. While they may seem creepy, these tiny creatures play a vital role in our ecosystem. Spiders are not insects, but belong to the Arachnida class. They have two main body parts, the cephalothorax, the front part, which contains the head and thorax, and the abdomen. Spiders have 6 to 8 eyes, depending on the species. However, human eyesight is far superior. Spiders detect their environment via vibrations, sight, and sense of touch. The most recognizable feature of spiders is their spinnerets. These are special organs at the end of the abdomen that produce silk. Silk has multiple uses for spiders, including making webs for catching prey, egg sacs to protect young spiderlings, and safety lines to lower themselves from great heights. Spiders are predators that feed on insects and other small creatures. They use their web to catch their prey, then inject digestive enzymes with their fangs to dissolve the prey from the inside before consuming it. One of the most fascinating aspects of spiders is their ability to spin webs in complex patterns. Each species has its unique web structure, designed for optimal catching of their preferred prey. Some spiders, like the wolf spider, do not spin webs and instead hunt down their prey. They are active hunters, stalking and chasing their prey. Spiders play a crucial role in pest control. By feeding on insects, they help keep the population in check and prevent damage to crops. However, it's essential to remember that not all spiders are harmful to humans. Despite their usefulness, many people are afraid of spiders. This fear, called arachnophobia, affects millions of people worldwide. Understanding the vital role spiders play in our ecosystem and their harmless nature can help alleviate these fears. Spiders are fascinating creatures with unique adaptations, behaviors, and roles in our ecosystem. By learning more about them, we can appreciate the incredible world that exists right under our feet.